Hello everyone. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to get fast data visualizations for your target area. So you can identify a state, you can identify a county, you can identify a city, a town, and Data.Census.gov will create these visualization profiles that you can readily download to use in your reports. So for this example, I am going to type in Arizona. And it has, general breakdown, total population Arizona, all these tables, some maps, total population. But what you want to go, or where you want to go, is over here to the Arizona Profile Explore Data. So when I click on this Arizona profile, it does give us a general map of Arizona, but it also starts to visualize some of the general census information. So this is a chart to show the population by age range in Arizona, and the data source is the 2018 American Community Survey. And for any of these, you can turn on the margin of error. So as you scroll down, you have people and population, you have veterans, you have foreign-born population, and you have a chart to show comparative information. Languages spoken at home, race and ethnicity, Hispanic or Latino, families and living arrangements, but you have these visual aids available. You have maps to compare by county as well, and health, and any visualization that you like, you can share and export. So what you're going to do is, if you want it, and so your options, share and export. I like to use share, and if you copy this link, you can just paste it into a new tab, and then it's there for you to use. It's interactive, but you can also, if you just want a static image, you can use the snip tool and copy that image, and you can put it into where you need it, in a paper or in a report. So this was for Arizona. I'm going to go back to the main page and search Tempe, Arizona. And as you see, it creates this same profile. Shows us where it is. It gives the general information for the area, and all the same charts that were available for Arizona. So I hope that you find this helpful, and it makes it easier to find information.